This review and accompanying instructions apply to all of the oiled leather colors available from Birkenstock. Today we have the Birkenstock Arizona in tobacco brown. This model is made with a nubuck oiled leather. This specific upper goes through a vegetable tanning process, which has no negative environmental impact. This process is longer, but you get a beautiful rich leather that only gets better with time. It also creates variations in the leather, making each pair unique. These are the same sandal from different boxes, and as you can see, this one is slightly darker, while this one is slightly lighter. The other unique trait of this leather is how the oils can move around. When I bend the leather, you can see it lighten up. You can easily rub these oils around and have it return to its true color. Also, small scuffs are characteristic of this leather, but you can easily rub those out as well.